Alrighty, my name is James Steele. I work here at Triangle Equipment, one of the best Bobcat dealers here in North Carolina. Just wanted to go over a couple of things. We got some land clearing attachments here. There's been a lot of confusion lately. I'm here to help clear that up. So here to my right, we have a Brushcat. Some people like to call it a brush hog or a brush cutter. Specifically, this is a Brushcat. This is meant to help clear land, mow lawns, take down very small trees and brush. Typically, you don't want to bog down this machine with more than 2 to 3 inch trees. So here we got a veil attachment. This is actually a brush cutter. This is going to take down 8 to 10 inch trees. Some people may try to chip the wood pieces with it by going up and over the tree. That's just going to dull your blades. But this is great for land clearing. This is a standard flow, so it can go on multiple different types of machines. So we got our veil attachment here. It's going to be the X series, just like that one, but this one's meant for excavators. This one's about 42 inches wide. This is going to help clear ponds, small trees, anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. You will want to go slower on bigger stuff. And lastly, we actually have our mulcher. This is going to take down your 8 to 10 inch trees. You got about 60 teeth in here that are nice and sharp to shred things up into a fine mulch as opposed to wood chips and whole trees that are knocked over. Not going to act as a stump grinder. It's going to go level with the ground, so you will need to pop up those roots potentially with a ripper that you would put on that excavator or a stump grinder.